In this video, I'm going to show a short example of how to use React PDF to create PDF files for my React web app. So React PDF is this React renderer for creating PDF files on the browser and server. So to start off, we just need to follow the instructions here on the official website. So you can use yarn or npm to install the React PDF renderer. And then after that, you can start creating a PDF document. So I can show you in my code here. I have this file called certificate.tsx. So first of all, we need to import all the components that we need. So if you want to look for the components that they have, you can look for it in this page here. So you can just scroll through all the components and read it up. So for this page, I have the imported the document, the page, the text, view, style sheet, and the image components from the PDF React renderer. And then I also imported a certificate blank image so that I can use it as my background. And here is just some styling that I use for the PDF. So first of all, the background is just white, and then the viewer is the inner width and the inner height so that it takes up the entire website page. And then my image, so this will be the styling for my background, which is 100% of the width and the height, so it will take up the entire screen as well. And then for the text, so this is text that I have that I'm using to position all the words in my certificate. So in order for the words to overlay my image, I have to use position absolute so that it doesn't uh, get this misaligned from the image itself. So I have a document certificate here. So this is just a HTML. It's not as if you see here, there's no return here. So we just make it a variable with a HTML. So document. So I call it a document first, and then I have a page. So one page component would be a single page. So in this page component, I put it as A4 size, and then orientation would be landscape because my certificate is in landscape style. And then for the style, I'll use styles.pages, which is the page, the style here. And then next, I will insert the image. So to use the image, we will need two different components using the view and then the image. So we type view, and then inside the image, we can do style.image and then find the source of the image that I'm using, which is certificates. And then finally, we have the text component. So for the text component, I have a few lines. So for each line, I'm using one text component. And then to position the text where I want it to be, I'm using this style called top. So top 270 means 270 pixels from the top, and then followed by 300, 330, 360, and then 390. And then all of them will use the styles.text. And then I'll insert any other uh, variables or words that I want inside it. And then this would be my certificate template. So in order to call the or view the certificate, there are a few ways. So you can use this thing called a PDF viewer component to render the entire viewer itself, but I won't be using that. Instead, I'll be using something called over here called block provider. So you can see import block provider from React PDF. So what block provider does is instead of rendering the PDF in on the website, I'm just creating a block so that I can use the block to be uploaded to a server, or it can be downloaded. So for this, I'll just be downloading it. So you can see here block provider, and then choose the document certificate. So certificate will be choosing this entire document here, and then I'll call a handle download PDF, and I'll insert the block in, and then my handle download PDF would take in the block and just download it. This is a download template using a block. So I can show you a demo. So if I open this website, you can see the certificate is downloaded. And if I open the certificate, open the certificate, you can see here. So the certificate is here, and then the few lines that I've inserted are also here.